Lola?
Family and friends, of course.
Family, how about you? Pretty. Family rin. I guess lahat ng sagot nila family. Pati mo naman tayo, di ba? Family naman yung parang Christmas wish natin this Christmas. Makasama yung kapamilya natin. Pero, guys, di ba, may upcoming show rin tayo. Promote na naman. I guess hindi na surpresa yun para sa mga kapamilyas natin ngayon.
Oo, nabanggit na nila kanina yung, ito ba yung shout out?
Yeah, shout out. Throw it out. Panen. 1, 2, 3, go!
Shout out! Shout out! Mali. Shout out!
Promote na naman, kailan magsisimula yun, and ano ba mangyayari basically yung shout out?
We want to invite you all to watch all the PBB Teen Love Teams. All of us are going to be on Shout Out November 29, 5:30 p.m.
Right.
And of course, kasama po namin dyan ang Giger Boys, Sam Concepcion, Aaron, Robbie, Enrique, and Chong, and
Eric.
and
And
of course,
Grace.
at marami pa pong iba.
Marami iba.
Malapit na po.
Shout out!
Tsaka may ipa-vlog din ulit si Ryan Bang.
Ay, meron ako comedy show every Monday, 9:30 p.m. sa Studio 23, Ichieyo po. Promise, sobrang nakakatawa po. Kasi, look at my face, it's already funny, di ba? Please watch every Monday, 9:30 p.m. Studio 23.
Anong show yan? Anong show yan?
Ayo po!
Ayo po!
Yo, pose!
Ayan, may mga nag-heart-heart na doon. Okay, thank you so much, PBB.